Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Power BI reports and upload outcomes to LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Power BI and create a new report by selecting the data source you want to use. Once your data is loaded, navigate to the report view. Begin by dragging and dropping visualizations from the visualizations pane onto the report canvas. Customize the visuals by selecting the fields from the fields pane. Use the formatting pane to adjust colors, fonts, and once you are satisfied with your report, click on the File menu. Select Publish from the drop-down options. Choose the workspace where you want to publish your report and click Select. After publishing, open Power BI service in your web browser. Log in with your account credentials and navigate to the report you just published. In the report, click on the File menu again. Select Export and then choose Export to PDF or Export to PowerPoint, depending on your preference. Save the file to your computer. Next, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Go to your profile or connections page where you want to share your report. Click on the Start a Post section. Write a brief description of your report to highlight its insights and value. Click on the photo icon to upload the PDF or PowerPoint file you saved earlier. Add relevant hashtags to increase visibility in searches. Finally, click Post to share your Power BI report with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.